Hello everyone, I'm very excited for today's video. I'm going to share a trick with you all which is really very cool. When I got to know about this trick for the very first time, I was very excited to go and use it, to show it to everyone. But today finally I'll be revealing the secret behind it, and it will no more be a magic for the people who know me. But I'm really glad to share it with you. So let's not waste any time and get started. Many people, when they just start investing or learning about how to start investing, there is a common question that pops up in their mind, and it's a very common question really. They ask me many times हमारा पैसा डबल कब होगा? And then I tell them 25 दिन में. Well, I don't. Let's see how to calculate that, and it's really simple. What you have to do is ask them what is the return, that is the rate of interest. So say for example, if it's some mutual fund and it's 15%, or say if it's a savings account it can be 4%. I'm just taking the average values. And then what you have to do is just divide the number 72. It is a fixed number. Just divide this 72 by whatever return they are expecting. Like if it's a mutual fund, as I said, 15%. So you just divide 72 by 15, and whatever you get is the number of years in which the money will be doubled. So 72 divided by 15 is 4.8, which means it will take 4.8 years to double the money. No matter if it's just 1,000 rupees, 10,000 or 1 lakh. The amount does not matter. It's only 72 divided by the rate of interest. Now, if you're considering the savings account, if you're investing your money, it's not investment actually, if you're just saving your money in the savings account and say the rate of return is 4%. So you have to divide 72 by 4, and that is 18. So you see, it will take 18 years to double your money. Now you see why it is important to invest in a good place which has better returns instead of just saving your money in the savings account. In savings account, to double your money it takes 18 years, and in mutual funds on an average, if the return is 15%, it takes say around 5 years. Okay, approximate. It actually takes 4.8, but we'll say 5 years. So where is 5 and where is 18? That's the real reason you should start investing. And now we'll talk about this.
एक स्कीम है, अमीरों की स्कीम मेरे हाथ लगी है. 25 दिन में पैसा डबल. 25 दिन में पैसा डबल.
So this scheme, everybody knows it's a fraud, it's a scam, and such scams are known as Ponzi schemes. Well, Ponzi schemes because there was a person named Ponzi who duped a lot of people by taking their money, and he made them fabulous offers that your money will be double, this, that. And what these people do, is they will tell you, we will double your money in this much time or something like that. They'll give you, very, very good to be true offers. And there are people who fall into this trap, and they won't cheat you. Like initially when they are just starting with this scam, they won't cheat you. They will give the money. So you will go and tell 10 other people. Then those 10 people will invest in the same scam, and he will give them also. Then those 10 people will tell 100 people. Probably there are chances that this scammer will give the money to those 100 people also. Then those 100 people will tell 1,000 people and 1,000 more. And that's when they will cheat. They don't start scamming people very initially. They keep their words at the beginning. But as the word spreads and as they get more people into their scam, and when they find a sweet spot, like many number of people investing in their scam, that's when they really start cheating, and these schemes are known as Ponzi schemes. Well, even if it had to be true, which will never be, but say if it had to be true, 25 दिन में पैसा double, then I just made a few basic calculations, and guess what will be the return? It has to be 1051%. The mutual funds give around 15%. If you get 20, 21 or even 25%, it's really very cool. You've done an amazing, best of the best job, because getting that much of a return is also not an easy thing. And then just consider 1051%. It's clearly impossible. So this is how you identify Ponzi schemes. If it sounds to be very good to be true, in finance, it's not true then. For sure, it's not true and it's a Ponzi scheme. So please be aware of Ponzi schemes. Please try to invest in trustworthy places. Talk to people before investing. Just don't invest in any kind of scheme. Just have better financial knowledge and it will help you in the long run. So stay tuned for the next videos and thank you for watching.